Are successful people lucky? Learning the greatest proven strategy of a success, your life will never be the same. How Terry Fox defined cancer. There lived a person by name Terry Fox, in whose name there are so many research studies conducted today. Should he not be unfortunate that the world really talk about him even several years of his death? Some of the honors in the name of Terry Fox. Terry Fox has been given several prestigious awards like the British Columbian highest civilian award. British Columbia named a mountain after Terry Fox. It is called Mount Terry Fox. Terry Fox Humanitarian Award created by Canadian government was given to the who showed greatest qualities of a citizenship and humanitarian service. It is a $5 million yearly scholarship. A stamp was issued in the Terry Fox name within a year of his death. A 9-foot bronze statue of a Terry Fox was erected at Ontario. The Terry Fox Hall of Fame was founded to provide permanent recognition for outstanding Canadian people whose contribution helped to improve the quality of life of physically disabled people. In 1999, Terry Fox was voted Canada's greatest hero in a national survey conducted by Dominion Institute. Terry Fox Foundation, created with a mission of raising money for cancer research through the annual Terry Fox Run, it has raised $400 million till the date. Who is Terry Fox? Why he is so blessed? What made him so lucky? Is he a well-known doctor, a prince of some country? Artist? The true story? No, Terry Fox was an ordinary individual whose life was filled with just bad luck, adversity. When Terry Fox was just 18 years old, he was diagnosed with a cancer which can spread fast to affect the lungs and damage the brain. It was tough for an 18 years old boy to accept the fact that he was going to die shortly. Most of the men and women give up at this stage and pass away earlier than the verdict of the doctor. But what the Terry Fox did? Terry Fox also had two choices. One, to give up and felt the worst in the world right till the end. Another choice, discover something purposeful to live by, where he would see himself as a fortunate to have a cancer at this young age so that he can do something for others. To slow down the spread of a disease, one of his leg was removed. On the hospital bed, Terry Fox had a dream to run a marathon across the Canada for creating the funds that could be used to research with the help of humanity to fight with the cancer. That makes the marathon of a hope. So determined to make a difference in the world, Terry started off as a one-leg marathon, the Marathon of a Hope, on 12th of April 1990. The objective of his run was to raise $1 million. He was running about 26 miles every day, covered a total distance over 3,300 miles in 143 days. From the outside, it was looking like a magic when he was running with just one leg. What made him go was his deepest desire to make his life meaningful, to create a difference in the world. It was not creating a major difference of sensation, but later it would huge momentum. More people were touched and involved. Instead of just $1 million, Terry Fox managed to gather $24.6 million before he died. Even today, Terry Fox Foundation organizes Marathon of a Hope in various parts of the world to mobilize funds to support the cancer research.